In today's video, we are tackling one of the most complex and still ongoing issue in the Gulf country, that is Israel and Palestine. Israel and Palestine conflict is the most complex and long-lasting issue that has been in the forefront of all internal news from decades. In today's video, we will see the key events and milestones that has shaped the relationship between the Israel and Palestine, from the establishment of Israel in 1948 and the current war, which has escalated by the attack from the Hamas.
Let's trace back this issue in the small area of Palestine, which was ruled by Ottoman Empire, where Jewish, Arab, Christian people living peacefully. But eventually, in 1870s, Jewish persecution in Europe has drastically increased, which made Jewish people as a stateless entity. In 1897, Zionist Society was established, having purpose to give Jewish people their homeland. During World War I, Allied power gave proposal to the Jewish if they help them in a world war against the Ottoman Empire. In return, Jewish will get their homeland at Palestine. This was Balfour Declaration of 1970. With the victory of Allied forces, World War ended and Ottoman Empire divided among UK and France. Palestine, Iran, Transjordan come under the UK's jurisdiction. After this, the pace of infiltration of Jewish in Palestine increased, which was supported by UK. But this increased confrontation between the Arabian and Jewish. In 1936, Arab revolted by demanding independence to Palestine and asked end of support to the British given to the Zionism. To resolve the rift between Jewish and Arab, in 1935, Peel Commission established, which is Palestine Royal Commission. In this commission, UK gave 75% land share to Arab and 25% to Jewish. But after the World War II, wave of anti-colonialism in the world started, due to which in 1947, UN proposed partition plan for Palestine. This is 181 resolution plan of UN. Palestine for Arab, Israel for Jewish plan to establish. But Arab rejected this resolution due to unequal distribution. Jewish with the one-third population get 57% of territory and Arab with a two-third population get 43% of territory. Irrespective of opposition, in 1948, UN declared Israel as a sovereign state. It was the first state in the world made on the ground of religion. Israel became the satellite colony of the Western power in the Arab-dominated area, not liked by Arabians. Between 1948 to 1992, there were several wars happen for territorial extension. This extension goes in favor of Israel. In 1964, Palestine Liberation Organization (PLO) came into existence, which went into negotiation with Israel, resulted in Oslo Accord. Oslo Accord of 1993 demanded Israel territory to be recognized by Palestine as a sovereign state. Israel should accept PLO as legitimate organization. Colonies of Jewish in Palestine region should remove from the Palestine region. Conservative Jewish did not accept this. Extremist Palestine did not like this moderate view of PLO. So they formed separate organization called Hamas. In 2007, Hamas won election and had stronghold in the Gaza Strip.
This is how Hamas come into existence, and in the last year, on 7 October 2023, when Hamas launched surprising attack on Israel, conflict began again, which marked the start of ongoing war between two.
Yes, this attack killed hundreds and injured thousands, on which Israel responded with airstrike and ground invasion on the Gaza Strip, resulting significant damage and casualty. The conflict has escalated with the both sides suffering losses. The war also spread to the other areas, including Lebanon and Syria. This war is considered to be the largest, most devastating and deadliest conflict in the Gaza. Many efforts to broker a ceasefire has been unsuccessful, and humanitarian situation in Gaza continue deteriorating. Israel's bombing in Gaza Strip and invasion has killed 43,000 Gazians as of today, and the war is still continuing.